welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about bank collections. What is it? Have you ever heard the term collection? For those who often work with banks, of course the words collection and collection mechanism are not foreign to you. So what is meant by collection is basically a service from a bank in the process of collecting money, whether it is to individuals or companies in different cities. The collection mechanism is a form of bank service that is often used to carry out the mandate of third parties in the form of collecting a sum of money. But usually, banking will involve a third party to settle the bill. Later, there will be scripts or securities that cannot be transferred or taken over. So it can be interpreted that the collection mechanism is also a form of billing process for checks from a bank in a certain clearing area to the issuing bank in a different city. Simply put, collections are services from banks which are financial intermediaries. What are the benefits of collections? First one, can save costs. If a customer is out of town and wants to collect documents, such as checks, of course it will cost a lot of money. However, with the collection, the costs you incur will be smaller than having to be billed yourself. Therefore, this collection service is considered to be able to save more costs, and also the implementation of budget management will be more controlled. Second one, save more time. Besides being able to save costs, the benefits of collections can also save more time. Because doing the billing yourself will take time. Even the time required can be very much because the party who wants to be billed is out of town. However, with the collection service, you can do billing in a more time-saving manner. The next one is avoid the risk of loss. The majority of demand deposit users are trading companies that may frequently send money or make large payments. So by using the collection service, making transactions between companies is very safe and profitable. In addition, it can prevent you from all risks, such as losing money due to a robbery, theft, or other crimes. Types of collection. In addition to the benefits, there are several types of collections that you need to know. Namely, the first one, collection by type. This collection is divided into two types, namely, the first one, collection using attachments. This means that the collection orders needs to be accompanied by important documents. Examples of collections using attachments are invoices, insurance policies, receipts, or other letters approved by the bank. Second one is collection scriptless attachment. This means that the collection slip does not need to be attached with any documents. Examples of records without an attachment are demand deposits, checks, and other securities. Second, fund traffic. Meanwhile, based on the traffic of funds, this collection is also divided into two, namely, first one, incoming collection. What is meant by incoming collections here means bills that come in at the expense of the customer's account, which will later be sent to the initiating branch as profit for third parties. Second one, outgoing collection. Well, outgoing collections are collections at the request of the customer. This means that collections are made to third parties, either to other banks outside the city or to their own branches. Collection will only be paid to the account of the trustee after all the processing is complete. The third, mechanism implementation. The next type of collection is based on the implementation of mechanism. However, the implementation is divided into two parts, namely, first one, own bank branch collection, which means that the collection process is carried out by the bank's own branch to a third party outside the city with the same bank branch office. Second one, other bank branch collection, which means that this type of collection is carried out on third parties who are customers of other banks outside the city. The disbursement process can be done through the bank's own branch. So with that explanation, you can now understand what collection is. This type of collection is also actually very helpful for you because with the services of this type of bank, the problem of intercity bills can be resolved immediately. That is all for me. Thank you.